Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will help you fix Roblox launch issues. We'll start with some quick and easy checks to get you back into the game. First, a simple restart of your computer can often resolve minor glitches by clearing temporary files and background processes. Next, it's wise to check the official Roblox server status to confirm the problem isn't on their end. Finally, ensure no overlay applications, such as MSI Afterburner or Riva Tuner, are running, as these can interfere with Roblox. Moving on, let's ensure your system's software is up to date. Outdated graphics drivers are a common culprit, so update them to their newest versions from your manufacturer's website. Roblox also relies on Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables, so reinstalling these can fix missing or corrupted files. Lastly, try running the Roblox player as an administrator. This often resolves permission-related launch problems. If the previous steps didn't work, we'll dive into more advanced solutions. First, delete the Roblox cache and temporary files from your local app data folders. Corrupted files here can prevent launching. A complete uninstallation followed by a fresh reinstall from the official Roblox website is often very effective. Additionally, resetting your network settings can clear up any underlying connection issues that might be blocking the game. To help prevent future issues and ensure you have all the support you need, consider these final steps. Add Roblox to your Windows Defender firewall's allowed list to prevent it from being blocked. Regularly updating your operating system and device drivers keeps your system optimized. If, after trying all these solutions, Roblox still won't launch, reaching out to Roblox support directly is your best next step for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.